In this high ticket heist review, I'm going to be showing you a program where you're going to get full training on how to make high ticket commissions, plus you're going to have offers to promote and already be approved. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out High Ticket Heist, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, say goodbye to small commissions. It's time for a high ticket heist. Essentially what this is going to be giving you the ability to be making high ticket commissions. He has a full training provided here showing you to go from being a person that's just making like $7 commissions, maybe you've made some before, maybe you haven't, to someone that's actually making high ticket ones and making ones that are going to be, instead of getting a little payments coming into your bank account, you're getting a bunch as well. So what I'm going to do here is play a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back, show you the backend area, the OTOs and the discounts.
Welcome to this presentation, and I'm going to go straight to the math. As you can see below, this product during the launch period costs around $10. That means that at the normal 50% commission rate, if you sold 10 copies, you would earn around $45. If you sold 100 copies, you'd earn around $450. And even if you sold a massive 200 copies yourself, something that even the top super affiliates struggle to do, you would still earn less than $1,000. Can you see a pattern here? The thing is, you are never, and I really mean never, going to earn a 5-figure regular monthly income online by only promoting low-ticket products. Hi, I'm Dawud Islam, and since I regularly started hitting 5-figure months about 3.5 years ago, the one question I get asked more than any other is, how can I do the same? Well, there's no secret to it. But it certainly can't be done by just pushing a couple of buttons. I've spoken to pretty much everyone who's a major player in this industry, and without exception, they have all done the same 3 things. Number 1, they sell high-ticket products so that they earn commission payments of $500 to $1,000 per sale instead of $5 to $10 per sale. Secondly, they can all name the mentor who personally helped them to get to the top. And thirdly, they all sell their own products as well as selling other people's products. Now, inside High Ticket Heist, we're going to solve the first of these key 3 issues for you, as well as taking a quick look at the other 2. You will learn with over-the-shoulder video tuition the 4 proven high-ticket mentorship programs that you should be promoting, and then shown step-by-step how to promote them. We will also tell you all about the programs, why we recommend them so highly, and look at some of the results from other students. Once you have worked your way through the short training course, you can start earning your first high-ticket commission as soon as today. Be honest with me. How long is it since you really earned over $500 a month online? What about $1,000 in a month? How about $5,000? To earn $1,000 in commissions this month, you could sell 250 copies of this product, Ticket Heist. Or you could sell 2 copies of one of the products inside the members area. Now, which one of those sounds easier to do? And spoiler alert, it's the second one. Because people always make the mistake of thinking that it's harder to sell high ticket products than it is to sell low ticket ones. Well, actually, the return on investment for your time spent selling high ticket products is about 50 times higher than for selling low ticket ones. And the refund rates are way lower as well. Because all of these programs are so good, and because they only attract serious marketers due to their price point, hardly anyone ever asks for their money back. So what happens now? Well, you could carry on making $3, $5 or $10 a couple of times a month and trying to search for that silver bullet. Or you could turn around your online fortunes today by picking up a copy of Ticket Heist and learning how to earn like the pros do. It really is up to you, but whatever you choose, have a great day. And if you make the right decision, I'll see you on the inside. Welcome to this very quick demo for Ticket Heist. This product does pretty much what it says on the tin, folks. It teaches you how to do those crucial steps that we talk about on the sales page. So we've got a short welcome video here, and then an overview of Ticket Heist, and then we're going to focus on 4 main programs that I consider to be the best high ticket programs out there, because, well, one of them's my own, and the other 3 are programs that I'm personally a member of. So it's the exact training that I've had from these people that has got me to where I am today. So I know that the programs themselves are solid. They all deliver very high commissions, and I'm going to teach you exactly how you can promote each one of those programs yourself, so that you can start to enjoy those commissions as well. And then we're going to speak a little bit about the programs so you actually understand them. You understand what the programs are. And we're going to talk a little bit about why it's important to have to be a member of a mentorship program as well, and why I think that that's an important part of your journey. Now, obviously, that's a completely optional part, but as I stress on the sales page, again, anyone that has made serious money online has done so with the help of a mentor. So you will be helping twofold with Ticket Heist. Firstly, you'll be helping other people, because as well as earning high commissions, everyone that you refer into one of these programs, providing they apply themselves, that is going to be the crucial first step of getting someone to where they want to be, earning 5 figures plus a month online, which I assume is what most people want to do when they set out in this industry. I don't think that the majority of people really join this business because they want to earn $10 here and there, that they want to earn like $50 a month or anything like that. I know that some people are not even earning at that level at the moment, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that it's all sorted and that even that is easy, because it isn't. But I'm sure that most people, when they come into this business, they don't come in because they want to earn the odd $10 or $20 here and there. They come in because they want a life-changing income experience. They want to be able to lose their job, or they want to be able to, have more free time with their loved ones, or even for themselves, or they want to work really hard alongside a full-time job to build a serious second income. Maybe they want to divert all their profits into getting their dream car, or to getting their first foot on the property ladder. So they intend to work full-time and earn a serious big second income from their online efforts. Whichever it is, you don't reach those sorts of figures by earning $10 and $5 on products. Believe me, there isn't anybody that's ever done that. So people need high ticket products, and so you will find that the satisfaction rate from selling high ticket products is massive compared to selling low ticket products. The number of scammy products out there that cost $10, $12, and that get loads and loads of refunds, compared to these high ticket products, which have all got, I say it's almost zero. Like most of these programs, the refund rate on any of them is absolutely minuscule, less than 1% for certain on all of these. And the reason for that is that the programs actually work, people learn a lot from them, and the other thing is that serious people buy them, because if you are spending hundreds of dollars on a product, you're not just going to leave it rotting on your hard drive. You are actually you're gonna feel obliged to actually do the work, because you've invested quite a significant amount. If you spend $10 or $15 on a product, it doesn't really matter if you forget about it, because it's a small amount of money. If you do the stuff and it works, great. If it doesn't, it's not, just move on to the next thing or whatever. It's not the end of the world if you don't even open that product. But if you buy something that you've paid $1,000 or $2,000 or in some cases $5,000 for, I'm guessing that you're gonna actually go and follow through on that, because it's not an insignificant amount of money. And that's why high ticket products are a win-win. They're a win-win for you promoting them, because you earn high commissions. They're a win-win for the first person buying them, and for you, because the type of people that buy them are serious marketers that are serious about changing their future, and they don't want, they're unlikely to refund. So you will find, once you learn this simple message that high ticket products are the answer, and once you learn how to market them properly, then you are a long way down the road of transforming your online fortunes. And it all starts with High Ticket Heist, understanding the logics and the reason behind this, understanding what the programs are, because there are other high ticket programs out there that aren't as good value. Just because something's high ticket doesn't in and of itself mean that it's an excellent product. A lot of these programs are, some of them are not. So we're not going to talk about the ones that are bad, I don't think that's right, but what I am going to focus on is ones that are good. All right, so come inside, learn how to transform this. I say on the sales page, and I mean it, that if you get stuck in, you could earn your first high ticket commission as early as today. Seriously, if you take a couple of hours out of your day to actually learn about these and to learn how to promote them, there isn't any reason why you could not earn your first high ticket commission as soon as tonight. So, if that excites you, and it should, then pick up your copy of High Ticket Heist, set aside an hour or two to go through the training and get everything set up. And we could start to change your bank balance very quickly. So pick your copy up, and that ends this demo.
Okay, so we're back. So as Dawood showed you, here's the backend area that you'll have access to, and you have all the different high ticket offers you can promote, all the different resources here, and the bonuses, etc. There are multiple upgrades. First one is going to be the pro version of this, but what I want to show you here is that it's normally priced at $37. If you click on the no thanks button, what you can do is you can get a discounted price on this. So you get the same thing, just at a big discounted price. Again, I make less as an affiliate by showing that to you, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Next one here is going to give you access to his rotator, where you can actually add in your link and get in free traffic. With this one, you also want to click that no thanks button, as it's going to take the price from $47, should be down to $37. Let's see, oh, $27, a big discount off, $20 off that one. Next one here is reseller rights. You can actually resell resell this product. Normally $47 for the resell rights, but if you hit that no thanks button, it's going to bring that price down to $27. So it's another $20 discount if I can do math. Here's the total traffic fix. This is the next upgrade. It's normally $197 to get 6 solo ad blasts. You can get the same thing if you hit the no thanks button for $97. So you can get a $100 discount off that one. And the last one is access to his beta tester academy, where he'll actually launch a product with you. He'll take all the costs and you get 25% of the profits. This one's normally $997. You can do a monthly plan if you hit the no thanks button. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about High Ticket Heist and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, people say that High Ticket offers, it's like the way to make money online. And sure, it's great when you get big payments coming in, but there's still nothing wrong with making $7 payments or $27 payments as well. Like, that's still money coming in. So I don't want you to think that I'm saying that making those payments are bad, because I make a lot of them. What do I like about this? Even though, with that being said, it's great getting high ticket payments. If you've never done it before and you've wanted to figure out how, and you wanted offers to promote and training to show you how to do it, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my High Ticket Heist review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.